So the question of today's video that we'll cover is how to get your first 1000 views on Pinterest. If you're watching this video, probably means you want to start out your social media growth and you want to work on your social media presence, which I gotta salute you for actually branching out and checking different platforms, not just YouTube, not just Instagram, but trying to think outside of the box. Obviously, Pinterest is a very good platform for multiple purposes. A lot of bloggers use it to drive free traffic, organic traffic to their website, but there's a very interesting reason why I'm creating this video, and you understand it by the end. First of all, I want to shout out one of the comments, and if you want to be shouted out in one of the next videos, just comment down below something that you've learned from the video, something that you do not like about the video, some argument you have against the video, and if I like it, there's a chance you'll be featured in one of the videos in the next few weeks, because I'm trying to record content at least a week ahead. So Seb Dope Entrepreneur says, hey man, loving your videos. Just started my own journey posting my videos too. Feel free to swing by and say good day, and we should all wish him good luck in his journey. You guys should probably check him out. And since he is a small YouTube creator and me myself am a small YouTube creator, even though I'm trying to do like literally double the videos bigger creators do, the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to be ahead of the game. If someone has a bigger following than me, I'll outwork him and try to capture as many eyeballs as possible. And when it comes to being efficient, which is one of my main priorities in everything I do, repurposing content is key. Why am I explaining this when it comes to Pinterest? You'll find out. Repurposing content is making use of content you've already created. For example, you created an image that was really good, worked really good on Instagram, but you still have this image. It took you time to shoot it, to create it, to edit it, or a video for that matter, which takes even longer normally. Why wouldn't you use this image on another platform to get a higher reach from it, right? This is a good idea. This is what repurposing content means. You have a content that's created for one platform, for YouTube for example, and repurposing it for Pinterest, for Instagram, for IGTV, and so on. You're milking it for every drop it has. Saves time, saves your assets. Your assets are your content right now, probably. So the key here is to create hot content on hot platforms. So when it comes to Pinterest, I'm not a Pinterest guy, right? I'm trying to grow mainly on Instagram and YouTube. I first heard about Pinterest from my wife when she was thinking of wedding ideas. And if you're a male person, chances are you probably heard it from your girlfriend or whatever. But the thing is, Pinterest is a publicly traded company. It's a big company. People use it, right? So why would you use it? Trending factor, viral factor, humble beginning factor. 3 factors that we'll go over. They're all good if you have no previous presence on social media. There's a reason we're talking about Pinterest views right now, and the reason is an article I found. I actually found it not from an article, I think it was a notification, but I want you to understand why this is happening. So Pinterest, obviously, after going public, they want to get Instagrams, Facebook traffic, YouTube traffic, and to capture that, they gotta do more video. They gotta work on encouraging creators to post video content. Basically, this is what Instagram is doing right now, because IGTV videos, as one of you guys mentioned in the comment, are really working when it comes to growing your account. Instagram's pushing that because they're competing with YouTube. So on this article by TechCrunch.com says the following: new Pinterest features encourage brands and creators to upload more videos. And it says here, with each passing day, Pinterest and Instagram are looking more and more alike. Shortly after going public, Pinterest has incorporated new features to make it easier for creators and brands to upload videos directly to the visual search engine. What happened before was people would actually upload the thumbnails to their videos, optimized a little bit for Pinterest, then have a link to the video. But now what they're doing is completely different. The company says they've observed a 31% increase in searches for inspirational videos since 2018, and that pinners are 54% more likely to say they've inspired to action by videos on Pinterest compared to videos on other media platforms. As a result, Pinterest has introduced a new and improved video uploader, a video that, and we'll go over that in a bit, how to optimize it and so on. a video tab on business profiles that allows brands to feature all their videos in one place, and then an analytics tool to help businesses better understand and analyze their traffic to gain insights into performance over time. And finally, Pinterest is allowing creators and businesses to schedule videos ahead of time with the new Pin Scheduler tool. Actually, Instagram is doing that right now. You have the Creator Studio in Facebook and you can do that. Before you could do it with Buffer, but it was, not super native. A lot of people had some issues. So yeah, this is what Pinterest is doing. So this is a trend and we're trying to figure out a way to get the most out of it, and I'll help you with that. If you check out my Pinterest account, I have a bunch of videos. I started with Facebook video as the YouTube video I just uploaded, and it has 24 views. The second video has 19, the next video has 21. But as you can see, the fourth video, make 20 bucks an hour, has over 1,000 views. A few videos after that, I actually get 10 to 20 views, and then on some other videos I have, for example, how to lose $3,414.40 when doing SEO, I have 1,300 views, and a lot of videos with 900 views for Instagram stories, 200 views, and so on. So it's a lot easier, in my opinion, to get views on Pinterest rather than YouTube. Obviously the retention is pretty bad on Pinterest because probably mobile, same with Instagram. You go viral with like 10% retention, you go viral. On YouTube you probably need over 30%, it depends on your niche. So we want to tap into and reverse engineer how some videos got over 1,000 views on Pinterest, and I'll tell you the secret. It's really easy to repurpose your content. Obviously I can optimize them better and get even more views, but this is not the main platform I have. It's just for the purpose of repurposing content. If I see that I'm getting more views, I'll actually dedicate more time to Pinterest. But right now I'm spending a lot of time to record 5 videos a week on YouTube while running 2 businesses. So I've tried a bunch of things, right? And the main way to get the keywords and to optimize your video is via either getting keywords from Google, which I do a lot because of, I don't know, sometimes when I do the first method I'll show you I don't get a lot of keywords, and the second method is, the main method you can do, and it works. I did it on those 1,000 plus views videos. Obviously, people are doing a lot of things with like engagement bots on Instagram. They're doing that on Pinterest. A lot of people are using bots, to pin, and so on content to get viral. I'm telling you the organic way, no weird tactics and so on, just like white hat things you can do, like just optimizing it. How you optimize the video is, if you go on Pinterest, you click on ads, as you can see here, you have a bunch of options: create ad, overview, reporting, bulk editor, and so on. What you need to click on is create ad, which brings you to create ad, interface similar to the one you get on, for example, Facebook ads. If you go down a little bit, get the keywords, and in keywords you can write a keyword, the most relevant keyword that is being used in your video, and you get variation. For example, Instagram tips, and you get all this, and you can actually add all the results. Where do you add them? When you click add all the results, they go on the left side, the left panel. Copy all of them and you actually put them, as you can see here. This is the interface you have when you're creating a pin. Tell everyone what your pin is about. Actually put them there, and as a destination link, I would not suggest to use actually your YouTube or Instagram account, because this is driving people off the platform to their competitors, and from my experience so far, it actually decreases your reach. So this is one of the growth tips I would suggest you to not actually use a YouTube link. Actually create a blog post or embed that post where you have that YouTube video or whatever you want. If you're just using Pinterest to pitch your YouTube channel, even though that's probably not the only thing you can do, add a destination to a blog post you've created. And if you're wondering about that, I have a lot of videos on my channel how to create blog posts. So this is the way I repurpose videos on Pinterest. But this is not the only platform I'm repurposing content. I'm also repurposing content for IGTV, and I'm gonna go over that in another video. So if you're interested in that, make sure you comment hashtag IGTV in the comment section down below. And if you've watched my previous video about Instagram DMs, and if you haven't watched it already, you should watch it right now. You'll know that I actually reply and create videos based on your suggestions. This is today's episode, and remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. On next video, you will learn more about Facebook e-commerce business and Instagram updates. Clicking that subscribe button would probably be the best thing you can do today. Clicking that like button will show me your support, which actually helps this video be shown to more people that need to see it. See you in the next one, guys.